That's a weird.
Like this long shot. Call me I have the bag. Let's go! Oh my god, it is gonna work. Oh my god! Jeez. Whoa, it's extending! Come on! Come on, explode already! Come on! Pop already! I think it's gonna explode! Pop! It's done. It's standing up! It's getting bigger! It's getting bigger! It's gonna blow! This one is going to blow. That one is going to blow. That one has to.
Are you watching?
Yeah. Okay, I doubt it's gonna explode. I doubt it.
I am videotaping.
Oh, no. It's about to explode! It's alive! It's about to explode! Yeah, it's about to explode! Oh! It's alive! Could you stop, Jada? Are you watching it to see if it explodes, Alicia?
Yes.
No.
No, don't. Don't go and kick it.
And it'll explode on me.
Yeah, don't.
Oh! Come on, Kaden!
It smells like vinegar.
Are you ready?
Yeah! Woo! Guys, if you be quiet, you can hear it sizzle.
Yeah, if you're quiet. Alicia, you can get closer.
Okay.
That's pretty full. And stuff closer.
Well, I don't want to get vinegar all over me.
Slam it on the ground.
They're like two giant balloons, and then there's one.
So just so you guys know, that is really tight right now. What's going
No!
on? Adam. Why is it doing that? What's going on?
Chemical reactions. I want to kick it.
No.
For some reason, I want to kick it.
No.
No, she didn't, guys.
So, guess what? You guys could try this at home with your parents' permission.
But you said it would explode.
Try a smaller bag instead of a gallon-sized bag.